Hello. Good afternoon, guys. Today it's Sunday. Actually, it's Mother's Day here in UK. Yes, Mother's Day today. So, nandito kami naman sa seaside. Walking. Kasi maganda yung weather today. Kahapon, whole day rainy. So, ito ang view, guys. Dalhin ko naman kayo dito. Yan, nandito kami sa sa seaside. Yan. Get some fresh air. Pero ang view, guys, tingnan nyo yung view. Diba? Ang ganda. Yan. Tingnan nyo yung cliffs. Very unusual yung nila. Yung formation. Yan, tingnan nyo yan. Diba? Ganun kalaki. Look, guys. I keep walking. I'm not noticed that the water is behind me. Look. It seems that it's going to be high tide. Pero anyway. So, ito, guys. Tingnan nyo. Diba? Ang ganda. So, dito ko naman kayo dalhin. Walking. At saka tingnan nyo yung cliffs. Diba? Very unusual. Yan, nakikita nyo, guys. Yan. Diba? So, ikot ko kayo. Yan. Since the high tide's coming in. Yeah. Dito, guys, diba? Ang ganda ng view. So, yan. Ang waves kami. So, ikot ko din kayo dito. Yan. Oh, very grainy look. See, the last time we are here, that I think it's like the big wave there. Look, it's really see all the seaweeds over there. See the last time? The last time is not like this. Remember? Yeah. Look at the guys. Very siya. Diba yung mga rock formation. Yan yung mga nila very funny. So, hanggang dito na lang kami sa hindi kami pwede na keep going to the other side. But, tingnan ko yung tingnan mo yung view, guys. Ko siya iso. Yan. Yan, diba? Yan. Tingnan nyo. Ganon kaganda. Look. See there? Ganon kaganda, guys. So, dito, balik na tayo. Diba, ang ganda. Medyo siya. Kasi yung sun. So, dito, po kayo, guys. Tingnan nyo ito, guys. Green na green siya, Yan. Look at this one, Dad. Covered with moss. Seaweed. It's different kind of seaweed. Look, guys. There's my shadow. Green na green siya. Unbelievable. The last time is not like this. Ito, guys. Tingnan nyo. So, we'll go this way. Look at this one, Dad, Consider white rocks. formation covered with green seaweed. Yan, o, tingnan nyo guys. O, green seaweed. Cover siya. O, tingnan nyo yung mga form. Yun. Diba? Yan o. So, maglakad-lakad pa tayo. The last time I'm walking on the top of this rocks, but not today because covered with the green seaweed. So ito na naman yung, it's not really see properly because that's the sun. Guys, dalhin ko kayo dito. Ayan o, maganda na ano dito guys. Sandali lang. Kasi yung sun naka-shiny. Shiny. Ito guys. Ayan. Kita po oh. Ayan. So gorgeous. Look at this. Ayan. Diba? So gorgeous yung ano. Oh, yung ikot ko kayo guys. Oh. Yung landscape. Yung arch. Yan na siya. Yan. Pero hindi tayo mag-akyat dyan guys kasi ano siya, sobrang taas. O tingnan nyo yung rocky. Black and white. No, I remember. It's not like this last time. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh. Ang ganda. I think I'm going back that way, Dad, the same way. Because maybe you can't really go to the way. Tingnan nyo guys. Diba? Grabe. Let's see the rock guys. Oh. See the color? Wow. See the rocks? Yan o, tingnan nyo o. Puting-puti o. Maraming tao ngayong araw kasi ano, sunny at saka Mother's Day dito sa UK. So, parang very popular yung destination na dalhin nila yung mga mothers nila dito sa ano, sa gilid ng seaside. Ayan, di ba? Ang ganda. Ayan. Na tayo guys. Maganda itong beach na ito. See, it's very clean. Yan. You see guys? So, tingnan nyo. You're right, Dad? Look. Tingnan nyo yung ano guys, oh. Yung rocks formation. Grabe oh. So dito tayo, dalhin ko kayo dito naman. Ito yung magandang view. Yan, kita ninyo yung siya, parang frog or rabbit. Yung ano niya, yung formation niya. Yan. Diba? So, ito yung isa, oh. Tingnan nyo, oh. Yun. Ganon siya kataas. Yan. Nakastand lang siya dyan, oh. Diba? Oh, ang ganda. Yan. Tapos, doon kami galing. Yan siya naman. Diba? Yan. Ganda-ganda lang. Ito. Diba, oh, parang frog. Parang frog siya. Oh. Gintry ko na akyatin yan the last time. Kaso lang, yun o. Ano yung ilaw? Yung sun. Ayan. Medyo ano siya. Kasi very sunny. Ayan. O, tingnan nyo. Yan naman o. Ganda ng ano nila. Yan ang formation. Tapos ito na yun siya guys. O. Sa beach guys. Dito na tayo sa beach. Balik tayo dito. Ayan. It's sunny na, but it's still a little bit chilly, isn't it? Ayan. So, parang may mga Pinoy ata dyan kanina. Kalaki guys, yung ano, yung haba ng beach dito. Tapos lalakarin mo doon hanggang pa doon sa dulo guys. Siguro mga maabot ng more than 3 miles. Oo. Grabe, ang ganda dito sa ano namin. Ito yung beach namin dito. Tapos yung sobrang laki, di ba? Tingnan nyo guys, sobrang laki yung beach namin. Ayan. So, ito na yung overall ng view na nilalakaran namin guys. Ayan. Di ba?
It's what I say. 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 It's what I. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
You can see guys, they're quite nice. See the rockies?
3, 2, 1, let's go.
We are here looking for everything guys.
1, let's go.
This is a shadow.
It's what I say. It's what I say.
Look, it's quite
It's
nice.
what I say. It's what I say. It's what I say.
The formation. So different than the one that we did in the other day. You see, you can see the Scotland here from here, guys. And I'm sure if I can zoom a little. No, Sama. Ayan, oh.
This what I
Theory.
say.
There's a
This
passenger in
what
the
I
car.
say. This what I say. This what I say. This
So
what I
they're
say.
coming from Scotland, I think. TNO. Ferry from Scotland to Larne. So if we're going to Scotland, guys, by car, it's like a ferry that we're going to get to Northern Ireland to Scotland. Yeah. It's quite big.
3, 2, 1, let's go! 3, 2, 1, let's go!
This what I
Really
say.
very windy today.
This what I say. This what I say. This what I say. This what I say.
Sarap ng ano, sarap ng
This what I say. 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 This what I say.
So, that's a ferry now, guys. Getting closer now. Look. That's a piano. Yeah. So earlier it's a little bit farther, but now look, they're quite closer now to Larne. Yeah. This look like a very slow, that isn't it?